It's the ultimate guidebook for hosts, experts, and influencers. It's available on Amazon as well as Barnes & Noble, and also it'll be available in bookstores and airports. But this is the book. It's $16.95 on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. It comes out on July 9th. Got a lot of really good stuff in there. Even if you don't want to be a host necessarily, video content is so prevalent, as you know, and it has a lot of really good tips and tricks for just doing great video content. So I'm really proud of it. It was really hard, I think, because I've been coaching people for so long and so much of it's in the moment. So to like sit down and try to remember all of the things that I've been telling people over the years and to kind of like siphon it down to information that would help people in general, it was a challenge, but there wasn't really a resource out there that I could find for people wanting to be better on camera. Lots of acting books out there. And I tell people, I'm like, I coach people to be good when they're performing everything but acting. If you're playing a character, that's a whole different thing. When you need to play you, that's my bag. It's the ultimate on-camera guidebook for hosts, experts, and influencers. Yeah, this is my book.